Hi, my name's Giovanni. Hope you're doing really well today. Now, I just want to show you very quickly how to set up a Google My Business account for your business. Now, this is extremely important and powerful to do, and you'll be surprised that a lot of businesses haven't claimed their listing already. So, if you have a business yourself, Google will already know about it. Okay, so they'll have set up kind of a Google Maps holding kind of listing for you that you can go and claim. And once you've claimed it, you can do all sorts of great and wonderful things to get leads from Google when people search for your business and your services in your area. So I just wanted to show you today very quickly how to set up a Google My Business account for a business that I've just found on Google that haven't claimed their listing. All right, so for the purposes of this video, I've set up a brand new Google account. Now, if you've got a Google or a Gmail account yourself already, you'll be able to do this. So just what we want to do is jump over to Google My Business. Now you can just search for Google My Business, or you can find it through the suite of Google products. And that will bring you to this page here, Google My Business. And what we want to do is either sign in if you haven't signed in, or just click Start Now. Just a little tip there, Google My Business has launched the new mobile app. It's just telling you there. Now, I'd highly recommend that you downloaded the Google My Business app because it's very easy to use, and you can get messages from people on there and all sorts of great stuff like that. But that's for another video. This one is just creating your Google My Business account. So we've gone to Google My Business, we've clicked Start, and now we're going to find and manage your business. Now, remember I said we're going to set up a business. Now, I've gone to Google. I've just searched for Italian restaurant in Enfield in London. It's a borough in London. And it will come up with loads of listings here, right? Now, if I click on more places, if I click on the top one here, not the very top one because that's an ad there, as you can see, it says ad, but this one here, Zaza, if I click on that listing, this hasn't been claimed. You see there where it says own this business. Now, if whoever owns this, if they went to claim it, they'd be able to take bookings and all sorts. They'd be able to really take advantage of this listing. Same goes with a few others here. I found another one, Nolitos, again, haven't claimed their listing. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to use this one, Zaza. So what do? We just copy that name, Zaza. Remember the address, 88 to 90 Chase Side, Enfield. So I'm going to search Zaza in Google, see what it comes up with. Now, what's it got? Zaza. There's a lot of Zazas, isn't there? So if we go Enfield, Zaza Enfield, has it got it? Chase Side, is that the one? It is, 88 Chase Side, Enfield. So there we are. Let's go Zaza, and we'll click that. So obviously Google already knows about the business. Here it is, all set up. Just click Manage Now, and you'll be able to rock and roll. It's as simple as that. Okay. And now, like I said, I'd highly recommend that you went and downloaded the Google My Business app for your phone. That way you can manage everything from your smartphone, and it's extremely simple to do. So that's it for today. If you've got any questions or comments, anything, just let me know below. And yeah, I look forward to creating some more videos where I'm going to show you some more in-depth things such as Facebook advertising, setting up landing pages to collect leads, and all sorts of good stuff like that. But for now, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.